Hey guys, it's Brandon, and today I'm back at it again with another Stickmore Hair Company review, and that is the Stickmore Hybrid is what we're going to be talking about today. Now, what makes this stuff unique, really unique, is that it's a cream X oil X water base. Now, what they're trying to do is make a firm hold, medium shine product that, and it says here on the side, goes in like a cream, styles like an oil, and washes out like water. Now that's kind of a lot of stuff going on, and kind of a, I would say, a big goal. So not only was I excited when I got this from them, but I was also just excited because I really like their oil base and I wanted to see what else they could do. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, the jar on this is really cool. It's matte black and it has their logo and then tells what it is. The ingredients on the side and how to use it. It's just a really sharp looking logo, and then like I've said before, it has this on the top, which like a top sticker, which makes it really easy to identify and really easy to just pull out of jars if you have them, if you're storing them, or if you have like a cupboard that you pull out. Always a big fan of that. When you pop it open, you can see it looks exactly like a cream. The scent on it is what their standard Stickmore scent is that they're going with all their products, same as the oil base, but because there's, you know, different ingredients in this, it smells slightly different. It's a light cologne scent. It stays prominent with you throughout the day, but it's like the scent itself is like a light, non-aggressive cologne scent. It smells a little bit like Crew, but a lot better, and that's a compliment. Scoopability, I'm going to do this top part right here that I haven't used. You can see it, well, that's a lot. Well, we're going to go with it. It comes out like a cream and breaks down like cream, which is, you know, all right, check, first thing done. Application, and I suggest, for me, you can put this in dry hair. I suggest, at least what I've noticed works really well, is towel dried hair with this stuff. Towel dried hair just gives you, I feel like it keeps it a little bit, I don't know, easier to use with this product in particular. It just makes it easier to glide in, but it's not a bad application if you put this product in dry. You might notice a small, and I say small, amount of tugging and pulling when you're applying this to your hair. Very light though. If you're used to kind of matte like creams, it's not going to be anything out of the ordinary. And actually, when using this, it kind of goes in like a, feels a little bit like a lighter medium oil base when you put it in, which is really cool. Slicking it back, you can see that there's some thickness to this. Like when I started slicking this back the first time, I was like, oh, okay. You know, because although I do like the Stickmore brand as a whole so far, from the products I've tried, I was really, with all the stuff they were kind of touting with this product, I was really kind of like, okay, can they make this feel like going like a cream and feel like an oil based? You know, I'm kind of, you know, I was trying to stay, let's say, skeptical, because, you know, I don't want to go in reviewing a product, you know, with preconceived notions just because I like the oil base. And I will say, slicking it back, it does feel sort of like putting in a medium oil base. It's kind of weird, actually. It's really nice. Definitely what I'm not used to for most creams. Most creams for me that I've noticed are really dry. This, on the other hand, feels a little bit on the slicker side. And as you saw, combing it through, there was really no issue whatsoever. And styling with this stuff as well, I'm using the Afro pick because my hair kind of is finally growing out. Styling with the Afro pick, you can see that there's it's really easy to slick, really easy to style with, really easy to get a nice style and shape. Would I say that it works, like feels exactly like an oil based? No, for all you people that really like cream products or matte products or the way that those apply or you're used to it, this doesn't feel too far from that. I mean, it feels, the best way for me to describe it is it feels like if a matte product, like a firm matte product paste, just felt slick. But the good news is that when it dries, especially if you put it in with damp hair, you're going to have a nice, like medium kind of almost matte type product. I mean, I know it says on the side that it gives you medium shine. I noticed when it dries, depending on how much you use, it'll give a natural look or almost a matte look. Also, the endurance is pretty good on this stuff too. The one thing that I like a lot about it is that it does stay slickable and restylable like an oil-based, but it does have kind of like that dryish feel to it that you would expect out of kind of like a cream or like a matte cream product. Like I said, this isn't a matte cream product, but I have been able to get some like slightly matte looks out of it, depending on how much I put. And it does have a nice firm hold to it. It feels like, I don't know, like what you would expect an orthodox gel type to feel like, but not as stringent. Like, this is what I would like an actual orthodox gel type to feel like. Where it's like, it holds everything in place, it holds a good style, but it feels soft, like your hair feels soft and it's easy to restyle. So endurance is gonna last, like I said, and it's easy to recomb, so it has pretty middle of the road firm endurance. Now, the one thing that I would be remiss to not say about this product is that it says that it washes out like a water-based. Now, it does wash out like a water base, but I feel like with my hair, it didn't wash out with one wash. I had to use shampoo and conditioner and wash my hair twice to get it out. So although, like, you know, like you'd expect out of a firm, unorthodox water base, like maybe like Black Ship or something. So it wasn't bad, but it doesn't wash out necessarily as easy as I was hoping for a product that is so versatile like this. So what are my thoughts on the Stickmore Hair Company Cream X Oil X Water Hybrid Firm Hold Medium Shine? Well, I think it's pretty damn good. I think it's like a good transitioning pomade if you're used to creams. I think it works really good if you're used to orthodox style feeling pomades. I think it's good if you're used to orthodox, or unorthodox. I think it's good if you're used to oil. I think like anybody who is like a kind of like type loyalist, like, oh, I only use cream, I only use oil, I only use this and this, I think they could get something out of this. Overall, I really am impressed with this product. I like it a lot. It holds up really well for my work day. I've used it a few times now, and it was like 90 degrees when I was using it or above, and it works pretty good. So if I had to give this a rating, I'd give this a 4.2 out of 5. This is a great pomade. If you guys are looking for something that's easy to put in your hair but has reliability of a firm holding product, but you can restyle it throughout the day like an oil-based, this is your man. You know, like I said, when I was looking at it and it's like cream X oil X water, I'm just like, how are you gonna do all that stuff? And surprisingly, they pulled it off really well. So let me know if you guys have tried this. Let me know what you think, or what you think about, you know, if you have any other questions or anything, leave them in the comments below. And have a good one, guys.